Welcome back, guys. So this video is a commission that I did of two really cute cats. I get a lot of cat commissions, and with each one I feel like I keep getting better and better. I really enjoyed this one. They're really cute. Hopefully you like them. Let's get to the art. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Give me a like and a subscribe, and let me know what you think of these two cats. And also let me know, do you animate your work? I love animating. Like, I was finished with this commission and I was like, oh, well, let me just at least give them a little bit of, a little bit of animation. I just like to do it. It's fun. It's time consuming, but it's fun. So again, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. I'll see you on Instagram, I'll see you on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video. No, cut that, I did it wrong. As always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video. I had to get it right.